What's up, YouTube? This your girl Scent. I'm not showing my face today because I'm not looking as cute as I can be. But I do have a haul that I'm so excited about. I was at the door like a dope fiend because I knew I had a package coming up that good. So I was waiting for my package, and here it is. I got me an airbrush machine and the airbrush maker. I'm so excited. Oh, and I just can't hide it. I'ma airbrush some faces, and I think I like it. I like it. Yes, look, I got me the gun. Master airbrush. It has the cup on it. The needle. Here's the compressor. It looks like an elephant. You see it? And that's where you rest the airbrush gun and you put it in back there to hold it. And then you see that it looks like a little elephant trunk. Isn't it so cute? Here's the air hose that you attach to the top part. Here's the air hose. And you attach the other end to the gun. You know I'm going to have to bling my elephant out, right? I'm going to have to add some sparkleization to it. Make it fly. I also got the airbrush cleaner. And then I have my airbrush, my starter kit by Tempe. It's 12 colors for all the color schemes that you may need. And the airbrush gun, I got it on eBay. It was only $69 for the gun and the compressor. What a deal. And I ordered it on Thursday, and I got it on Monday. Not Monday, I ordered it on Thursday, and I got it today. So it was fast shipping, and I was really happy and impressed. And here's my Temp 2 airbrush. This is porcelain. It's for that porcelain looking skin. This is blush ivory. You probably can't really see the colors. I have this is ivory. This is clay. This is natural mocha. Golden honey. This is sand. Pure beige. This is dark cocoa. This is toffee. This is espresso, that's chocolate. And last but not least, cappuccino. And I got all 12 of those. I ordered that from an online website, Laurel Cosmetics. And I got all 12 of those for like $50. And that was a good deal. It was cheaper than ordering from the actual Temp 2 website. And it was a discount. And it was the, I think it was the SB foundation. And then I also got the setting powder, the Tempe setting powder, in Temp 2 Invisible Difference Finishing Powder. So you put that on after you airbrush the face. So I'm so excited of my mail that came today, guys. You see all that? I got all of this for about $150 for everything. The airbrush, the compressor that looks is a cute elephant that I'm gonna have to hook it up, bling it out or something. I just want to share my heart with you, so you know I'm gonna have some videos so I'm gonna be trying to airbrush, I'm gonna be practicing. So I just want to let you guys know. Until then, peace, deuces, and I'm out. Hey guys, I'm back. I took it out the package so you can see it a little better. See that? The gun is nice and shiny. It got the top, it's at the cup at the top, so it won't spill out. And then you can take the top off. See that? So that's the gun. And that's the elephant. I'm going to hook it up and show it how it looks all together. I'll be back.